Hey traders, welcome back to Financial Market Insights for Traders, the show where we break down the tools, strategies, and insights that help you become a smarter, more confident trader. I'm your host, Sophia, and today's episode is one that every beginner and even intermediate trader needs to hear. We're talking about something that separates those who make real progress from those who just keep spinning their wheels, and that is backtesting and simulators, or more specifically, how to practice trading without risking a single dollar. So, if you've ever asked yourself, how do I know my trading strategy actually works before I start putting my hard earned cash on the line? You're in the right place. In this episode, we're digging into paper trading platforms, backtesting software like TradingView and TradeZella, and even getting into the regional winners, apps that are dominating in different parts of the world. Stick around till the end because I'll also give you a direct path to a platform you can start using right away. Let's go. The problem most traders run into. Here's the truth. Most new traders and even those with some experience hit this wall. They've watched the YouTube videos, read a couple of trading books, maybe even joined a Discord group. But when it comes to putting their strategy into the real market, they hesitate. Or worse, they jump in blindly and take losses they weren't emotionally or technically prepared for. Why does this happen? Because they skipped the training. They skipped the testing phase. They didn't use tools like backtesting and simulators to validate their ideas first. And look, I get it. You want to be in the game. You want to make money. But trading without practice is gambling. Period. What is backtesting? Let's start with backtesting. Backtesting is when you take a trading strategy, your exact entry rules, exit rules, position sizing, stop losses, the whole framework, and apply it to historical market data to see how it would have performed in the past. You might be thinking, but the past isn't the future. And you're right, but the past rhymes with the future. It tells you if your idea has any edge at all. The key is to use real data from different time periods, bull markets, bear markets, sideways chop. You want to know how your system reacts in every environment. Backtesting tools will usually show you things like your win rate, average return per trade, drawdown, risk-reward ratio, and overall profitability. If your strategy blows up in backtesting, better to find that out before you risk real money, right? What is paper trading? Now, once your strategy shows potential on historical data, it's time to take it into paper trading. Paper trading is trading with fake money in real, or simulated, market conditions. You can place trades, set your stop loss and take profit orders, and monitor performance, all without spending a dime. It helps you practice execution, manage risk in real time, build emotional discipline, get familiar with your trading platform, and listen, don't dismiss it just because the money's not real. If you treat it seriously, paper trading becomes your training gym. If you don't, you go live and get wrecked. Best platforms for practicing without risk, 2025 edition. So, which platforms are actually worth your time? Let me walk you through the best of the best, whether you're a beginner or someone who's refining your edge. Crystal ball markets. First up, crystal ball markets. This one's a standout. It's built for modern traders, clean interface, fast execution, and best of all, it gives you access to paper trading accounts, algorithmic testing, and a full suite of tools designed to help you practice without any financial risk. Perfect for beginners and more advanced traders looking to simulate strategies or test automation. Honestly, it's my go-to recommendation if you want a cutting-edge, user-friendly trading platform that does it all. Check it out at crystalballmarkets.com/platform. TradingView. You've probably heard of TradingView, and for good reason. It's one of the best tools for backtesting, especially if you like working with indicators and visual data. You can code your own strategies in PineScript, use their strategy tester, and even paper trade directly on the charts. TradingView is also highly optimized for SEO searches like Best Trading Platform for Beginners 2025 or Best Investing App USA. So if you're doing your own research online, it's going to show up everywhere, and for good reason. TradeZella. Next, let's talk about TradeZella. Now, this isn't a paper trading platform in the traditional sense. You won't be placing simulated trades in real time. But TradeZella is invaluable for journaling and analyzing your trades. It lets you replay market conditions to see how you performed, track performance with deep analytics, identify mistakes and biases. If you're trading live or paper trading elsewhere, plug those trades into TradeZella. The insights are next level. It's the ultimate mirror for your trading behavior. MetaTrader 4.5. If you're trading Forex or using bots, MetaTrader is still king. With MT4 and MT5, you can run detailed backtests using expert advisors, practice live with demo accounts, script your strategies using MQL. It's a bit old school in its design, but power users love it. And because of its international reach, it ranks in location-specific searches like Best Trading Platform MENA or Best Forex App India. Robinhood Webull. If you're in the US and just getting started, Robinhood and Webull are great entry points. Robinhood is simple, sleek, and good for learning how to trade stocks and options. Webull gives you more charting capabilities and offers a paper trading account with live market data. These two dominate beginner searches like Best Stock Trading App 2025 USA or Robinhood versus Fidelity. Interactive brokers. Finally, if you're planning to go pro eventually, get comfortable with interactive brokers. It supports paper trading, API trading, every major asset class on the planet. It's more complex, but if you're scaling up or managing a larger portfolio, this is the one. Regional platform leaders. Just a quick note on regional leaders for my international listeners. These are dominating in different corners of the world. MENA region, Sarwa, eToro, and yes, Crystal Ball markets. India, Zerodha Kite, Grow, and Upstocks. Asia Pacific, Moomoo and Tiger Brokers. UK and Europe, Trading 212, IG, and Free Trade. Make sure you're using a platform with local support and regulation. That matters, especially when you go live. Education still matters. Now, none of this matters if you don't know what you're doing. The tools help, but you need proper education. That's why I always recommend the Crystal Ball Markets podcast, and not just because they're a sponsor. They break down topics like algorithmic trading, market psychology, risk management, and more, all in beginner-friendly language. Check it out here. Trust me, it's an investment resource for beginners that will absolutely sharpen your edge. Putting it all together. So here's your plan. Define your strategy clearly. Backtest it using TradingView or MetaTrader. Paper trade it using Crystal Ball Markets or Webull. Log and analyze your results with TradeZella. Refine based on data. Then go live. It's not magic, it's methodology. That's what separates profitable traders from blown accounts. Final take. You wouldn't skydive without checking your parachute. So don't trade without testing your edge. Backtesting and simulators are the smartest way to build real-world experience without the real-world losses. If you're ready to train like a pro, visit crystalballmarkets.com/platform. And for the education side, subscribe to the Crystal Ball Markets podcast. This has been Financial Market Insights for Traders. I'm Sophia. Trade smart, test everything, and I'll catch you in the next episode.